So let's have a look at this urn to see if this is an urn that you would want to pick up to honor your family member or friend. So this is a full-size metal cremation urn. It is labeled for males, but it can also be for females as well. And you can see that this has a nice wood grain oak finish on it. And this is aimed at families who want a warm, cozier piece that looks more like furniture than something like a metal canister, which can be quite jarring to look at if it's in the home. So this is 10 inches tall, 6 inches wide. Let's have a look at the top of it right here. So it is a very secure lid. It is a threaded lid, and we can see the inside of the urn. So the capacity of this, it says it fits up to a 200-pound adult, although just be on the safer side and stick with a 180-pound adult for this at the time of passing. It's always better to leave yourself a little more room in your urn. And on the bottom, we do have felt, so it's not going to scratch any surfaces at all. You can put it anywhere and it's going to fit nicely. You can put it anywhere and it's not going to scrape anything. We can see it is solid metal. You have the nice design around the ring on the top and the bottom. And it has the full red oak warm finish around the entire urn. And included with this, we also get a velvet bag for transporting this. So that's really nice. Go ahead and put the urn in. Put on the lid first. Fits in easily, and you can transport this. So who is this urn really for? Really anyone who wants to honor their family member or friend while having it look more like a piece of decor rather than it just being a metal canister. And again, this is marketed towards males because of the warm red oak finish, but of course this can be for a female as well. And this urn will look good, of course, in your house as well as at a service. So those are the two places that you would be using this urn. And who this isn't for, if you are looking for a handcrafted wooden urn, then this is definitely not the one for you. Again, better to stick on the safer side. So if you're looking to honor someone with a warm, home-friendly urn, this is definitely an urn worth checking out.